Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for updates in Windows 11, specifically Windows updates. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So in order to do that, what we're going to start with is opening up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go ahead and select Windows Update on the left panel here. On the right side, select Check for Updates. And you can see it's currently downloading updates. And there you go, guys. Normally, I'd recommend restarting your computer once you've completed an update, and that's about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.